What's your experience with Yacht Controller?
I love it. I've been a captain for 43 years, and I've seen a lot of systems come and go. We just installed the Yacht Controller on our new boat, 74-foot Azimut. We've had it for a year, and it truly makes my life tremendously easier. I can walk off to the side of the boat and look down and see the dock. I can be at the back of the boat on the bridge. I don't have to rely on a mate as much, especially if I have a new mate that I have to work with. So I recommend it 100%. Great system.
Would you say it's been a good experience?
It's been an outstanding experience.
Perfect.
I've not had any issues at all. We just came back from a 2.5-month trip, traveling about 3,500 miles, probably docked total about 80 times, and it was flawless, and it's a really good system, and I like it, and I would certainly recommend it.
Perfect. Thank you.